today, y'all see we in Mel's room, so of course that means we're doing something with a mommy vlog. Let me say hi.
Hi. Hello, dog.
Alright, y'all, so we are going to Gucci, stop it. So we are going to clean Mel's room and her play area out there. I got some stuff for her, so I want to show y'all what I got. I got a bunch of arts and crafts stuff for her because I want her to start doing arts and crafts here at home. So I'm gonna show y'all what I got. I got her this from Burlington. It's little mats that I'm gonna put in her playpen. It has all the alphabets on it and it's white and gray. And then I got these as well. These are white and pink, but they have all of the numbers on them. So that because she's learning her numbers and letters right now, I thought that would be good for her to have. I got her this from Burlington as well. It's just a little like canvas activity set. I know what it is, says ages 6+, but she's been painting a little bit, so I thought that this would be cute. It's a little Minnie Mouse and Daisy type of thing. I got a little shirt that maybe she could paint from Walmart. And then I got some washable paint just for her to paint. So some of this stuff is already open, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. But I got this for her so that she can make some little arts and crafts. It just has like the little, what are these things called? Pipe cleaners, I think that's what we used to call them. Little pom-poms. Those called fuzzy sticks now. And the little wiggly eyes. So it has all of this. I got this from Walmart.
Here.
Thank you. And then I got some little paper plates so she can make like little animals out of them and color on them and stuff like that. Just, you know, little cute fun activities for her. I got a sticker book for her. I can't really open it, but it has a bunch of little 3D pictures that I think she'll like. So this was already open. This is Play-Doh. It came with a bunch of little stencils. So like it has shapes, they're over there. Then this one has like animals, and then it has Play-Doh down here. And this one has Play-Doh as well, and then the little roller too. I got her a bunch of different colors of Play-Doh. What is this? Yeah, Play-Doh. I got like green, blue, purple, all of that type of stuff. I got some more paint and paint brushes for her. Then I got some little colored paper and some little glue sticks. The other thing I got, where is it? Because Mel took that thing out as soon as we got home. It's like a little bucket, and it has Play-Doh in it, and like one of these. You can put the Play-Doh in, and it just oozes through. She loves that, y'all. And then I got a bunch of different colors of Play-Doh, like I told y'all. But that's all I got her. So I'm going to redo her little area in here and try to organize all of her arts and crafts stuff so that it won't just be sitting in the way. Because right now it's just kind of like all over the living room, and I want to get that stuff out of the way for sure. I'm trying to find a little bucket with the stuff in it. I don't know where it is, but I'm gonna open this stuff up. And I'm gonna figure out how I want it so that she can learn all of her little colors. I mean her all of her alphabets and her letters. So she can say her alphabets to you, but you done? You didn't even eat, Melly. Oh, you ate some salmon. Melly, you done? You don't want any more? You want to eat some more for mommy, please? Thank you. Can you eat some more for mommy?
Okay.
Go ahead, eat some more.
Mommy, have more.
Okay. Yeah, she knows all of her alphabets. She can tell you her alphabets. And she knows some of them, like she knows I think she knows Z, she knows P. But I want her to be able to recognize what the letter is. So I think this will help. Now, this is her little play area. Holly. This is her little play area right now. Yes, it is a mess. So I'm about to clean this up and organize it, throw some stuff away and all of that type of stuff. And yeah. So I pretty much finished this area. Okay, cornered this and I put her new little letters down. I got her little Legos right here, her little art station right there, a little cozy corner, and then this thing, she keeps moving. But it's a little piano for when you walk in, but it's kind of slippery, so I need to put some little things. Mel, what in the world? Yeah, Mel is she's killing me. But yeah, I like it so far. It's different for her. So I put her other little thing, her little keyboard or whatever. It's a little DJ booth. I put that right there. If she wants to use it, she could lay it down. It came with that stand right there, but she always draws on that. You hurt yourself? Her little imagination station with her little dog and her doctor kit. But I like it so far. I'm not done. Y'all see, she been all in my freaking way. Go down, walk around. No, Mel, walk around and go up the slide. She could get in there if she stopped moving this thing. Whee! One more, okay. But yeah, this is our little space for right now. I do still need to put this together. I really didn't have space for it. I could have put it over here, but I feel like she's not going to be able to use it. Like, she can move the stuff and see the letters and stuff, but like, that, I don't know. I got to figure that out. I was thinking about putting it together in a block right here, but it's only going to use 6. It's not going to use all of them. So I don't know how I want to do it yet. Okay, so right now Mel's room is a mess, which I like. I'm about to try to clean it up. I'm about to straighten out her closet. I really want to put all her stuff in her closet at one point and get rid of like this dresser and this to create more space for her. But I'm not about to do that today. I'm sorry, but I'm not. We're just gonna work with what we got. And I'm about to try to organize this room and clean it, because this carpet is dirty as a mug. So y'all, I'm gonna finally put her swan up because I wanna put it up. I'm putting it right here. That's cute, that's cute, that's cute. I love it. Melly, do you like your swan? Wait, go over there. Let me see. Do you like your swan? You like it?
No.
Oh, you don't like it?
Yes.
Melly, do you like your swan?
Yes.
Yeah, so I did her bookshelves. I'm gonna put the books on there, but they're high enough so that Mel can't reach, but that's gonna be her little reading corner. Y'all, I display all of the black books.
Yeah. Mommy, yeah.
I see you, girl, with that big old balloon. What's up, mama? I display all of the black books that I have. So, Black is a Rainbow Color, Bunheads by Misty Copeland. Hey Black Child. Hair Love is the purple one in the back. Crown with Glory. Why a Daughter Needs a Day is not really a black book, but The Princess in Me and That Can Be Me. Both of those I got from my job at this little Black Business Expo. So both of those are signed by the author for Mill. And then we got Corduroy and Curious George up here. So I like it. They're finally up. And her swan is up. I'm looking crazy right now, but I'm finally done Mel's areas, her room and her little play area, and I love it. I think they're both so cute, so I'm gonna show y'all, but I will see y'all in the next vlog. Bye.
Mommy.